our family. The members in our house are our family. Kids, we learn many things from our family. We learn how to share, how to love, how to respect. We learn the importance of unity, cooperation, etc. It is said that a sapling will grow as directed. According to this saying, if the child is taught proper behavior right from his childhood, then when he grows up, he will become a very successful and humble person. Kids, now as we are talking about family, in our family, there are changes that takes place. So our today's chapter is based on changing families. So let's see what happens when changes occur in the family. So let's begin. So kids, today we shall learn about changing families. Changes in the family occurs for various reasons and events. For example, a new arrival of a baby. When a baby boy or baby girl is born in a family, everyone is happy and excited about it. Or there might be that a person promotion or transfer has taken place. Means an important member of the family has to transfer from one place to another, and due to which their family also have to go. Next, there might be a reason where a wedding is taking place. You can see in these pictures where a wedding is taking place means a new family member is going to come in a house and be the family member of that family. So kids, let's learn about changing families. What happens in this chapter? Let's learn about them.
So kids, let's begin with chapter number 9, Changing Families. Here are pictures of some families. These families are of Kiran, Sumi and Dipali. Let us get some information from these pictures. नाउ यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हैं फैमिलीज़ के, और ये फैमिलीज़ जो है एक किरण की फैमिली है, एक सुमी की फैमिली है और एक दीपाली की फैमिली है. अब इन पिक्चर्स से हमें क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है, चलो लेट्स सी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद किरण's टेल. टेल यानी स्टोरी. ओके, सो किरण's टेल. There is a great excitement in Kiran's family. She has a new baby sister. Kiran and her family are very happy. स्टूडेंट्स, ये फर्स्ट पिक्चर में देखो, ये किरण की ग्रैंड मदर है, ये किरण है और ये किरण के पापा है. और यहाँ पे जो दो दिखा है मम्मी और छोटा बच्चा, वो हॉस्पिटल से बाहर आ रहे. कैसे पता चला कि ये हॉस्पिटल है? एग्जैक्टली, कैन यू सी द प्लस साइन? येस, दैट इज़ द साइन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल. ये पिक्चर देखने से पहले हम लोग ने लाइन पढ़ी थी कि किरण की फैमिली बहुत खुश है, बहुत एक्साइटेड है. एक्साइटमेंट मतलब बहुत ही खुश है. तो ये लोग हॉस्पिटल जा रहे हैं, तो कैसी एक्साइटमेंट होगी? ऑब्वियसली कुछ गुड न्यूज़ होगा. एंड गुड न्यूज़ ये है कि किरण को अब न्यू बेबी सिस्टर मिलने वाली है. येस, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ इट किरण एंड हर फैमिली आर वेरी हैप्पी. किरण और उसकी फैमिली बहुत खुश है बिकॉज उसके घर में एक न्यू बेबी सिस्टर आई है. लुक एट द सेकेंड पिक्चर. Yes, Kiran is meeting her little baby sister. Kids, now look at the third picture. Kiran and her family are coming back from the hospital. They are going to their home. And you can see in the picture that they reached their home. Now, we have to look at the picture and write how many members are there in Kiran's family now. Kiran की family में अभी कितने members हैं? So, before arrival of the new baby sister, in Kiran's family, there were 5 members. Kiran, Kiran's mother, father, grandmother and grandfather, as we can see in the picture. But after arrival of the baby, now there are 6 members in Kiran's family. Next activity, let's talk. Kiran has a new baby sister. Which things will be changed in her family now? Now kids, as I told you that changes takes place in families due to various reasons. Here the reason is of a new arrival, a new baby sister's arrival. So the first question is, how will Kiran spend her day now? So maybe Kiran will spend her day by playing with her baby sister. Then the second question is, what new work will her mother do now? Now mother's responsibility will be increased. So the mother has to take care of the little baby. She has to feed her, she has to make sure that she sleeps on time, she has to bathe her, clean the baby, change her clothes, and she has to take care of the baby and its needs. ओके सो मम्मी को ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि वो बेबी को क्लीन करे, नहलाए, उनके कपड़े चेंज करे, उसका खाने का टाइम, उसका स्लीपिंग टाइम और उसकी जो भी नीड्स है वो ध्यान में रखे. Okay, the next question is which type of changes will be seen if there is a small baby in the house. So guys, अगर तुम्हारे घर पे कुछ small babies होते हैं तो कौन से types of changes देखने को मिलते हैं. So there are many changes. तो जो elder of the house है, they have to take care of the baby. Then her mother has to arrange a cradle. हम पता है बेबी के लिए झूला लाते हैं. So arrange a cradle so that baby can sleep properly in the cradle. Then different types of toys to be brought for the baby so that she can play with it. Okay, then care has to be taken while she is sleeping or eating anything. Okay, so हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हैं. So kids, we learned about Kiran's tale and we got the reason about changes in the family. Now let's go to Sumi's tale. Sumi's father is in government job. He was promoted and was being transferred to another city. Now we will know about Sumi's family. तो सुमी के पापा एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब में काम करते हैं. ओके, एंड उनका प्रमोशन हुआ है और उनका प्रमोशन के साथ साथ उनका ट्रांसफ़र भी हुआ है दूसरे सिटी में. अब चलो देखते हैं सुमी की फैमिली में क्या होता है. सो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर कि उसके पापा को प्रमोशन लेटर मिल रहा है. नाउ सुमिस फादर केम फ्रॉम ऑफिस. ही टॉक्ड अबाउट प्रमोशन एंड ट्रांसफ़र. व्हाट वुड हैपन नाउ? लेट अस फाइंड आउट अबाउट इट. सुमी के पापा आए घर पे, सबको उनका प्रमोशन और ट्रांसफ़र के बारे में बताया. अब क्या होगा? चलो लेट्स सी. एनी आइडिया क्या होगा? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. Sumi's father got transferred. What preparation will they do to go to the new place now? So सुमी के पापा को ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है, ये तो हमें पता है, पर वो क्या प्रिपरेशंस करेंगे अगर उनको न्यू प्लेसेस पे जाना है तो यहाँ पे देखो पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि किस तरह से वो लोग पैकिंग कर रहे हैं क्लोथ्स की, कुछ ज़रूरत चीज़ों की. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु फ्रॉम सुमी's फैमिली विल लिव विथ हिज फादर एट द न्यू प्लेस? विच स्कूल विल सुमी गो टू नाउ? सो तुम्हें क्या लगता है सुमी की फैमिली में उसके पापा के साथ साथ कौन जाएगा? और अगर जो भी जाएगा क्या सुमी जाएगी? और अगर सुमी जाएगी तो सुमी कौन से स्कूल जाएगी? सो मुझे लगता है सुमी के पापा के साथ साथ सुमी और उसकी मदर जाएगी टू द न्यू प्लेस एंड सुमी न्यू स्कूल में एडमिट होएगी जहाँ पे उसके पापा का ट्रांसफ़र हुआ है. तो सुमी and her mother will go with Sumi's father and Sumi will be admitted to a new school in the place where her father is transferred. So kids, here is an activity. Note down about the students who have come from other village or city in your school. तो हमें वो बच्चों का नाम लिखना है जो बच्चे तुम्हारी स्कूल में दूसरे विलेज या सिटी से आए हैं. सो आई गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल. सो यहाँ पे नंबर 1 स्टूडेंट्स नेम बीना पटेल. From where he or she has come. So Beena is a girl, so we can write she has come from Junagadh. Okay, when? So in the month of June. Then name of her old or previous school. तो उसके previous school का नाम क्या होएगा? So you may write Saint Xavier's. Then what was good about his or her old school? तो उसकी old school के बारे में क्या अच्छा था? So this way you can complete the activity. Now let's move further. Dipali's tale. There is great joy in Dipali's home today. All are enjoying her elder cousin brother is getting married. You have also seen many weddings. Look at the pictures of wedding and discuss about them. सो हियर दीपाली स्टोरी बिगिनस. और दीपाली के घर में सब बहुत खुश है बिकॉज़ दीपाली के एल्डर कज़िन ब्रदर की शादी हो रही. एल्डर कज़िन ब्रदर मतलब बड़ा भाई, ओके, कज़िन भाई। सो आप लोग भी बहुत सारे वेडिंग्स में गए होंगे, राइट? सो यहाँ पे भी कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हैं वेडिंग के, सो लेट्स सी एंड डिस्कस अबाउट देम। सो कैन यू सी द फर्स्ट पिक्चर? सो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर? येस, आई थिंक द ब्राइड एंड द ब्राइडग्रूम आर गेटिंग मैरिड। दूल्हा और दुल्हन की शादी हो रही है। देन इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर, bride and bridegroom are taking 7 rounds going around the fire, sacred fire. So वो लोग 7 फेरे ले रहे हैं आग के आजू बाजू घूमकर. Then there is third picture. I think people are giving them blessings. Then in the fourth picture, bride is sitting in the palki. Palki means डोली. डोली में बैठ के जा रही है अपने ससुराल. Then in the last picture, it seems that मेहंदी की रस्म हो रही है. सो ब्राइड्स हैंड बीइंग डेकोरेटेड विथ मेहंदी. नाउ किड्स, think and tell. Dipali's cousin brother got married. What changes will be there in Dipali's family now? So दीपाली का कज़िन भाई जो है वो शादी कर रहे हैं, तो अब दीपाली की फैमिली में क्या क्या चेंजेस होएंगे? So as Dipali's cousin brother is getting married, a new member will be added in Dipali's family. And Dipali will get a new sister-in-law. तो दीपाली की फैमिली में एक मेंबर और बढ़ जाएगा क्योंकि उसे सिस्टर इन लॉ मिलेगी. सिस्टर इन लॉ को हम हिंदी में भाभी बोलते हैं, जो कामकाज में घर का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने में हेल्प करेगी. Then next, when daughter gets married, what changes will be there in her family? So अगर किसी बेटी की शादी होती है तो वो फैमिली में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं? So when a girl gets married and goes to her new home, her parents may feel lonely. They will miss her a lot. Also, a member from their family will be listened. Now kids, as we are talking about wedding, so let's talk what happens during wedding in the families. Okay? So first one is, what special clothes do the bride and bridegroom wear? So ऐसे कौन से स्पेशल क्लोथ्स है जो ब्राइड एंड ब्राइडग्रूम पहनते हैं? ब्राइड मतलब दुल्हन एंड ब्राइडग्रूम मतलब दूल्हा. ओके, सो द ब्राइडग्रूम वियर्स अ शेरवानी, अ चूड़ीदार एंड अ टर्बन, और ही वेयर्स अ कोट, ट्राउजर्स, अ टाई. एंड अ ब्राइड वेयर्स पानेतर साड़ी और लहंगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द कल्चर. What kind of songs and dances are performed at weddings? ये तो सबको आता होएगा, right? So if we are talking about Gujarat, so there are many dances like Doslo dance in North Gujarat, then Ras, Garba, Dandiya, Hudo dance, right? And if we are talking about songs, those songs of bride farewell, bidai songs, then Zamkhudi songs, okay? So all this are sung and danced, are performed at weddings. What did you see at the wedding that you had attended? So what all things you see when you attend a wedding? तो wedding में जब तुम जाते हो तो तुम क्या क्या देखते हो? So normally there is a mandap for the wedding. Okay, then there are many ceremonial rites of marriages. Okay, then there is a priest, a pandit who chants the mantra, okay, while performing the ceremonial rites. Okay, then there is women who sings wedding songs, right? Then there is a food arranged for everyone in the wedding. Hence all these things are seen in the wedding. Now kids, as we are talking about marriage, so let me tell you, according to the law of child marriage, the minimum age for marriage for girls is 18 years and for boys is 21 years. Now kids, also I want to ask you a question. The children who cannot complete their schooling face so much difficulties. They drop out from the school for many reasons, like for example lack of financial facilities, family problems, etc. So is there any such children in your neighborhood who had to drop out of school? Why? So you may write the reason for it. Now kids, we saw changes in the families of Kiran, Sumi and Dipali for different reasons. Come on, now let's write down, can there be any other reasons for changes in the families? Yes, there can be many reasons for changes in the family. For example, when a family member has to leave the family for a job, when the responsible member of the family passes away suddenly, when the financial condition improves and the family goes to live in a big house, etc.
So kids, did you learn about changing families? We learned about various reasons related to the families. I hope you have understood this chapter very well and you also learn from your family and be a successful and humble person in your life. So take care, bye bye, have a wonderful day.